Angelica Cugini is spending her workday in the backyard, trying to steer clear of her family while she recovers from her fourth bout of COVID-19.
I'm definitely not scared of COVID. It's obviously a nuisance.
While testing has largely slowed, wastewater data shows cases are up pretty much across the country. That's in part thanks to Omicron's highly transmissible subvariant BA.5, coupled with the removal of most public health measures.
We should still have been encouraging people to continue wearing the mask when they're in public.
This week, Ottawa's top doctor expressed her concern and asked people to reassess their behaviors, including wearing masks indoors and outdoors in crowded spaces. But last week, Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health said the province had no plans to bring back restrictions. A similar sentiment heard in Quebec, despite the rise in hospitalizations there.
We do not need to reinforce public health policies or mandatory acting for the population.
In the U.S., there have been 90 million reported COVID-19 cases since the pandemic began. And in the last 2 weeks, infections have risen roughly 16%. Statistics prompting cities like Los Angeles to consider re-implementing indoor mask mandates. In San Diego, masking is now a requirement for summer school, while New York's governor is holding off for now.
But I'm going to reserve the right to return to this policy if the numbers change.
But waiting until cases explode defeats the purpose, says this public health expert, who worries leaving it up to choice won't work.
If you don't actually put something in place and indicate to people and really sell the message, then you're not going to get anywhere.
Despite her reinfections, Cugini, who is fully vaccinated, says she would be happy to never wear a mask again.
I think it's so much better the way that we're doing it right now. I think definitely moving forward and living with the virus is important.
The path public health officials have now put us on, for better or for worse. Jamie Mauracher, Global News, Toronto.